To the person whom I met on April 2017, thank you for making me happy. Ug sa kasakit nga imong gihatag. Thank you kay na-learn jud nako tanan nga inana di ay ang gugma. Amping ka. I miss everything about you. I really damn miss you. I miss the old us. I'm so stupid that I still miss you. To you, my one and only, please take care of yourself. I badly miss you. I love you. No matter what happened, I'm always here by your side. Support kita kung saan ka sasaya. Sorry sa mga pagkukulang ko. Sana magstay ka pa rin sa akin kahit napakalabo na. Thank you for coming into my life. Sorry kung napipilitan ka nang magstay sa akin. Kahit alam kong hindi ka na masaya. Basta andito lang ako. Palagi. Sorry I took you for granted. Sorry snub ko sa una until now. Sorry gikatawan ka namo sa una. Hopefully, dili pa ulahi ang tanan. To you, man, I really miss your voice so badly. Can you please call me again? I miss your hugs. I miss your kiss. I miss your presence. I miss your smell. I miss everything about you. I love you to the point that it makes me going insane. I miss you already. Dali rata nagkuyog. Pero dugay pata mag-uban og balik. To the person whom I met on April, though I didn't have the chance to meet you personally, but still I'm longing for your presence. Hope you're doing good, Mr. Home-Based. Hinaot ko, malipayo na ka, ug ayaw na ko sa muka. Makasamot sa kamingaw, pero wala man tay mahimo. Stop doing things that made me hurt. Please. Gusto ko sanang sabihin sa kanya na balik ka na. Miss na kita. Masakit kasi di mo yon magagawa kasi may iba na siya. Ayaw ko nang guluhin kasi mukhang mas masaya na siya. Pero I just want to say na mag-iingat ka palagi. Namimiss ko na ikaw. Miss na miss. Pero hanggang dito na lang. Kasi di ka na sa akin.